Turn your home into a smart home in seconds. Imagine walking into your home, and the lights turn on automatically. Want a movie night? Just say Alexa, set the lights to warm, and boom, instant cozy vibes. With the Echo Dot and Amazon Basics smart bulb, your home adapts to your mood. 16 million colors, perfect for parties, relaxation, work, or a romantic evening. Hands-free voice control, no more fumbling for switches. Just say Alexa, turn on the lights. Control from anywhere, even when you're away. Make it look like someone else's home. Smart schedules, lights turn on at sunset and off at sunrise automatically. Enhanced security, convenience, set routines, adjust brightness, and switch colors with just your voice. Smart home technology is now within your reach. Say goodbye to boring lighting and create the perfect ambience with a single command. Ready to experience the future? Hit like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Turn your